Hello again, Grace chatting here. We all carry burdens throughout life. From time to time, we all hit a rough patch. I think nobody gets out free. Uh, there are times when we just seem to be beset by fear, worry, anxiety, and it can weigh us down. And often it can make it difficult for us to move forward. I mean, I see clients who arrive here regularly, and when I ask them, they've been on antidepressants maybe for 10 years, but still they feel anxious and worried and frightened. So, medication, while it can help sometimes, it doesn't always relieve the fear and the worry and the anxiety. But what if you knew that you could release those burdens and exchange them for something more powerful? What if you could? Like, it just can seem too easy and too simple, but what if you could embrace faith and trust in a loving, guiding presence who could do the heavy lifting for you, could carry those worries and troubles for you? Well, the third step of the 12-step program, if you're familiar with the 12-step program, if you're not, you can look it up. The third step is about making a conscious decision to let go of fear and worry and anxiety, and instead to assume there is an infinite wisdom and a higher power. Okay, you can't say it and you haven't got any proof, but even if you just assume it's there and that it's always with you, a presence, a loving, caring, benevolent presence that's always there, and you just didn't know about it, but it's always there waiting for you to cast your burdens over. Now, I'm not being religious here. These are psychological, well, cosmic principles and spiritual principles to cast your burden over. And so whether you're aware of it or not, it is always there. And so when you surrender, you open yourself to the peace that comes from having faith and trust in something. It doesn't have to be a God of religion, a God of your understanding, just a higher power, something that can allow um, you to lift the weight off your shoulders and bring you to a place of serenity and peace and calm. And so I've seen that happen for people, so many people. So I've created a hypnotherapy recording which can absolutely oil the wheels of your journey and make it so much easier for you. And so the recording guides you through the process of letting go and replacing fear with faith and trust and opening your heart to a love that surrounds you. And actually, if you listen to the recording and you listen to it regularly, you'll replace those worries and anxieties with feeling much lighter, more at ease, and more connected to that loving, guiding presence. So all you have to do, it is that easy, is click the link below and access the free download. Let me know how you get on. Bye for now.